This is the psychology of blame. Why your mind judges others so much harsher. And why this double standard never feels like your fault. This is the fundamental attribution error, a silent mechanism that creates a ruthless double standard in how we interpret success and failure. When someone else fails, your mind jumps to character, they're incompetent, thoughtless, lazy. But for your own failure, you instantly find context, distraction, bad luck, unfair conditions. Because you see others only from a distance. You notice the result, not the story behind it. The sludge-coated mirror filters out every factor except identity, making their flaw feel simple and personal. It magnifies their mistakes, freezes them in place, and paints them as permanent. But from your side, the film briefly clears. You can see the full environment, the pressures, the context, the circumstances. This protects the ego and ensures conflict. You judge others through a toxic filter while giving yourself a quiet pardon. You now understand the mechanism. The missing piece is the method to clean the mirror and replace judgment with real empathy. This predictable error controls your relationships. The true challenge is installing the cognitive tools to stop it for good. Comment mirror if this mechanism describes someone you know, and subscribe for deeper psychological breakdowns.